Hi guys, it's my Talk to Me Tuesday from May 15th, 2018. It's the Queen. I don't have a lot to show today. I don't have a lot of space on my card for a long video, so I'm sure you guys are glad about that. I just wanted to post the pictures toward the end that I finished my mom's clutch and gave it to her for Mother's Day, and she loved it. It came out really nice. I actually took the time to put the inside snaps on and to hold it closed. Now I need to go back and do the same thing to my daughters, and hopefully my other daughter in Texas will be able to do the same for hers. I'll just send her some instructions because she's great at hand sewing. Me, not so much. Anyway, guys, it's rainy here. I've been out already in the garden getting my hands dirty this morning, put a few things in. I'll also put a couple of pictures up of my garden if anybody's interested. Wish you guys were closer because I have tons of cilantro. I'm going to put it online and see if anybody local wants to come and dig some up because I have way too much. Anyway, stay crafty. Have a great week. Bye.